2021 Toyota 4Runner. Here's my part number. This is for the little black button that's on the rear seat when you push it down to release your seat so it could lean forward. This is what it looks like. So what you want to do is just sorry about that noise. Get the little plastic button and try to get that little rod in the middle of it. It was actually kind of tricky, so you want to make sure it's really on there. When you get it on there, push it straight down, and then you're going to want to screw it tight. You know, just righty-tighty like a regular thing. And then it might, even when it's kind of tight, it'll kind of feel like it's loose. You could check your other one for reference. But yeah, that's it. Once you get it on, you just can push it forward, and then there you got your button back, and that's it. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. And again, you could check your other button to see if it's the same. Thanks. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.